Here I have Xiaomi Black Shark 5, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow-mo. So now I'm gonna record something in slow-mo, so I'm gonna just roll this toilet paper, but slow-mo, so it will be extremely cool. So here I go, let's get it. Wow. Okay, and now let's check it. Let's get it. So it's just like rolling toilet paper, but in slow-mo, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. So cool, unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.